Welcome back to Cruiser's Edge, your go-to channel for expert cruise tips and insights.
Here at Cruiser's Edge, we tap into our decades of cruise experience and share what we've learned over the years to help improve your cruise vacations. And in today's video, we're delving deep into a topic that can save you both money and hassle during your cruise vacation.
That's right, we're exploring 11 common drink package mistakes to avoid. So grab your favorite beverage and let's set sail into this informative journey.
Mistake number 1, not doing your research and choosing the right drink package for your needs. Cruise lines offer a range of drink packages, each tailored to different drinking habits and preferences. Some packages include alcoholic beverages only, while others encompass a wide array of options, such as soft drinks, specialty coffees, bottled water, and even premium alcoholic beverages. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the package options available on your cruise line to find the best fit for you. To make an informed decision, honestly assess your drinking habits. Do you mainly enjoy alcoholic beverages or prefer a mix of alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks? Are you an occasional drinker or someone who likes to indulge throughout the day? Understanding your own preferences will help you choose a package that provides the best value for your needs. Once you have a clear idea of your drinking habits, compare the cost of the drink packages to individual drink prices on board. Calculate how many drinks you would typically consume in a day and evaluate whether the package cost is more economical than purchasing drinks individually. This analysis will help you gauge the potential savings and determine if the package is cost-effective for you.
I've seen so many people who didn't know what was included in the package they purchased. I just saw it happen on our last cruise. There was someone arguing with the bartender about what was included with his package. That's why mistake number 2 is overlooking the importance of reading the fine print. Before you set sail, thoroughly read the terms and conditions of your chosen drink package. Pay attention to limitations, exclusions, and restrictions on specific drinks. Being informed will help you maximize the value of your package and avoid any unpleasant surprises. Some cruise lines like Carnival and Princess limit the number of drinks you can have in a day. Don't worry, it's a pretty sizable number, and remember, it's a limit, not a goal. Approach that maximum number with caution. I know on the Carnival, the limit is 15, and it resets at 6 a.m.
Mistake number 3, waiting to purchase your drink package on board. One of the most significant advantages of pre-purchasing a drink package is the potential cost savings. Cruise lines often offer discounts and promotions for guests who buy their drink packages before boarding. These early bird deals can significantly reduce the package's overall price, making it more budget-friendly. You'll find that you can save between 15 and 20% by purchasing your drink package ahead of time. Planning your vacation budget is essential for a stress-free cruise. By purchasing the drink package in advance, you can add this cost to your overall cruise expenses and have a better idea of your total vacation budget. This allows you to allocate funds for other activities and souvenirs without worrying about unexpected expenses for beverages. Buying your drink package before boarding the ship can save you time and effort during embarkation day. While others may be queuing up to purchase their packages on board, you can head straight to the fun and relaxation, knowing that your beverage package is already set up and ready to use. Cruise lines occasionally adjust their drink package prices, especially as the sail date approaches. By pre-purchasing, you lock in the price at the time of booking, protecting yourself from any potential price increases before your cruise. So keep that one in mind before your next cruise.
Mistake number 4 is not taking advantage of all the included drink options. Your drink package includes. Some packages include alcoholic beverages only, while others offer a wide range of options, including specialty coffees, bottled water, and soft drinks. Choose the package that aligns with your tastes and needs. Take advantage of non-alcoholic beverages. Nice to have fresh squeezed orange juice for breakfast at no additional cost, and to be able to get a bottle of water to take on excursions with you. Don't hesitate to try these refreshing alternatives, especially if you want to take a break from alcoholic drinks. Throughout the day, we will always make sure to stop at a bar and get a couple of bottles of water to take back to our cabin and put them in the refrigerator. You paid for it, be sure to use it when you need to.
Mistake 5 is not knowing that everyone over 21 has to buy the drink package if anyone in your cabin does. When it comes to purchasing drink packages, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. Most cruise lines have a policy that requires everyone over the age of 21 in a cabin to buy a drink package if anyone in that cabin chooses to purchase one. This approach is designed to ensure a fair distribution of package benefits among all adults in the same cabin and prevent potential sharing of beverages. If you have travel companions who are not interested in a drink package or do not consume alcohol, it's essential to consider whether it would just be better to pay for drinks as you go, opposed to having to buy a drink package for someone who doesn't drink. While they'll still be able to take advantage of soft drinks and coffees and juices, it still will not justify the cost. The beverage package for that is much cheaper. Some cruise lines may be open to making exceptions in certain cases. If you have a compelling reason for not wanting everyone in the cabin to purchase a drink package, you can inquire with the cruise line guest services or onboard staff. They might be able to accommodate your request based on the circumstances. It's worth a shot. I have seen some cases where a family traveling with their kids in a separate cabin and only one of the two want a drink package, they would split the rooms with one adult in each cabin. So that's something to keep in mind for those situations. Remember, each cruise line may have different policies and offerings regarding drink packages, so it's essential to research and clarify the specific rules before booking your cruise.
Mistake number 6, not requesting top-shelf alcohol. One of the common drink package mistakes that new cruisers and sometimes even seasoned cruisers make is not requesting top-shelf alcohol from the bartender when they have a drink package. Many passengers assume that top-shelf liquor will be automatically provided as part of their drink package entitlement, but this is not always the case. On certain cruise lines, the standard drink packages might include house or well drinks, which typically consist of lower-tier or house brand liquors. If you prefer higher quality or premium brands, it's crucial to specify your preference to the bartender. They will be more than happy to serve you the premium alcohol, but in some cases, it might come at an additional cost. Be sure to check with your specific cruise line and verify what their policy is. Some cruise lines offer various tiers of drink packages, where you can choose to upgrade to a premium or top-tier package that includes top-shelf alcohol. However, even with these upgraded packages, it's still a good idea to let the bartender know your preference to ensure you receive the drink of your choice. Cruise lines that offer top-shelf alcohol options in their drink packages often market them as premium or ultimate packages. These packages typically come with a higher price tag, but offer a more extensive selection of beverages, including top-shelf liquors, specialty cocktails, fine wines, and other premium options. On the other hand, some budget-friendly or entry-level drink packages on certain cruise lines may not include top-shelf alcohol. They might provide a selection of standard drinks, beer, and house wines instead. To avoid disappointment and make the most of your drink package, it's essential to research the specific offerings of each cruise line. Check their website or contact their guest services to understand what is included in their various drink packages. If top-shelf alcohol is a priority for you, consider upgrading to a premium package that covers your preferences. Remember, communication with the bartenders is key. Let them know what you desire, and they will do their best to cater to your tastes and ensure you have an enjoyable and satisfying drinking experience throughout your cruise.
Hi cruisers, I'm Shay, your cruise director. We're sailing under beautifully clear skies today, but I've just gotten word from the captain. Apparently there's a YouTube algorithm monster just ahead. A lot of research and effort goes into making a video like this. Hopefully if we keep things shipshape, the algorithm monster will let us pass. We'll start by swabbing the deck. You can help us out by polishing up that like button and gently depressing it. You can smash it if you like. But we would like to be able to say no, like buttons were harmed in the making of this video. Oh, and don't forget to show the subscribe button some attention and ring the bell so you will be notified of our upcoming videos. It would help us out greatly. We have some really good content coming up, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Alright guys, this is Shay, your cruise director, signing off. Thanks, and back to the video.
Okay guys, in the comments section let us know what your favorite drink is and which cruise line you can get it. We'd love to hear your comments. Let's see which drink gets the most votes. Now on to lucky number 7. Mistake 7 is responsible drinking. When it comes to cruising, indulging in a variety of delightful beverages is part of the experience. However, it's crucial to remember that responsible drinking plays a significant role in ensuring a safe and enjoyable cruise for everyone on board. Let's delve into the importance of responsible drinking during your cruise vacation. Knowing your limits. First and foremost, be aware of your own alcohol tolerance and set personal limits for consumption. Different people have varying capacities for alcohol, and it's essential to know when to stop and pace yourself throughout the day and night. You should try to stay hydrated. Alcohol can lead to dehydration, especially in warm cruise destinations. Always drink plenty of water in between alcoholic beverages to stay hydrated and prevent any potential health issues. While it's tempting to savor every cocktail and beverage offered on the ship, excessive drinking can have severe consequences. Not only can it lead to personal discomfort, but it may also cause disruptions to your vacation and affect other passengers. If you're visiting ports of call and planning to explore a shore, be aware of any designated driver policies if you've had alcoholic beverages on board. Some excursions may have restrictions for passengers who have been drinking, so plan your activities accordingly. And for your safety, avoid swimming or participating in water activities immediately after drinking alcohol. Alcohol impairs judgment and coordination, increasing the risk of accidents in and around the pool, or especially in the ocean. Don't drink and drive. If you plan to rent a car or scooter at any port of call, ensure you remain sober, as alcohol impairs your ability to drive safely. Use public transportation or organized tours instead. Remember, moderation and responsible drinking not only contribute to your own well-being, but also to the overall enjoyment of your cruise for everyone. It's a time to relax, have fun, and make unforgettable memories, so make sure to do so responsibly.
Mistake 8 is not factoring in how many port days you have. Port days are a highlight of any cruise vacation, offering exciting opportunities to explore new destinations and experience different cultures. However, when considering a drink package, it's essential to take into account the number of port days and whether the package covers beverages on shore. It's important to understand package coverage. Start by carefully reviewing the details of your chosen drink package. Some cruise lines offer packages that are only valid while on the ship, and beverages purchased on shore are not included. Some private islands are covered by your drink package, and others are not. If your itinerary includes multiple port days, you might find yourself spending a significant portion of your cruise exploring these destinations. Consider the cost of the drink package versus the potential amount you'd spend on individual beverages. If you find that the cost of the package is substantially higher than what you typically spend on drinks while exploring on shore, it may not be financially beneficial to invest in the package. Remember, everybody's preferences and priorities are different, and what works for one person may not suit another. Analyzing your itinerary, understanding the drink package terms, and assessing your own drinking habits will help you make an informed decision about whether the package is worth the cost, especially when faced with numerous port days during your cruise.
Mistake number 9, not knowing cancellation policies, missing the cancellation deadline. If you change your mind about the drink package, be aware of the cancellation policy to receive a refund or avoid unnecessary charges. It's essential to be aware of the drink package's cancellation policies. Mistakes can happen, and you may change your mind about purchasing the package after making the initial decision. Understanding the cancellation policy is crucial to avoid unnecessary charges and make any necessary adjustments before your cruise begins. Take the time to thoroughly read the drink package's terms and conditions, specifically focusing on the cancellation policy. Look for information about the deadline for canceling the package without incurring charges. Cruise lines typically have specific cutoff dates for canceling drink packages before your departure. Missing the deadline might result in being charged for the package, regardless of whether you choose to use it during your cruise or not.
Mistake 10, not trying new drinks. Exploring new and exciting beverages is one of the many joys of embarking on a cruise vacation with a drink package. When you have the option to sample a wide variety of drinks without worrying about individual costs, it opens the door to a world of flavors and experiences that you might not have tried otherwise. Just like trying new dishes, discovering new drinks can be a delightful culinary adventure. Cruise ships often feature specialty bars with expert mixologists who craft unique and innovative cocktails. With a drink package in hand, you have the freedom to explore these creative concoctions without hesitation. Have no regrets. When you're not paying per drink, you can approach the experience with an open mind and a sense of curiosity. You're more likely to try drinks that might seem unfamiliar or unconventional, knowing that you won't regret the cost if it's not to your liking. Some cruise lines feature a cocktail of the day. This promotion encourages guests to try the highlighted drink, often themed to the cruise itinerary or the ship's current events. Expand your palate. Having a drink package empowers you to step outside your comfort zone and expand your palate. You might find new flavor combinations that surprise and delight you, broadening your appreciation for different beverages and mixology techniques. Making memorable moments. Whether it's sipping a tropical cocktail on a sunny deck or enjoying a sophisticated martini at an elegant lounge, these experiences become a part of your cruise memories.
Mistake 11. Not knowing the 18% gratuity is already included. Now here's a common oversight that can sneak up on even the savviest of travelers, not realizing that the 18% gratuity is often already included in your drink package. When you purchase a drink package, especially on a cruise, you're not just paying for the beverages themselves. The package price typically incorporates an automatic 18% gratuity, which is a service charge that covers the staff's excellent service and hard work in preparing and serving your drinks. This gratuity is added to each drink you order, ensuring that the crew members behind the bar are fairly compensated for their efforts. Now, here's the key point. Because this gratuity is already factored into your package price, there's generally no need to tip extra for each drink you receive. The cruise line has already taken care of that for you. So whether you're sipping on a refreshing soda, enjoying a classic cocktail, or indulging in a specialty beverage, that 18% gratuity is working behind the scenes to acknowledge the service you're receiving. Of course, if you feel that the service is exceptional and you wish to show your appreciation a little more, that's absolutely wonderful. A small additional tip can be a lovely gesture, especially for a particularly memorable interaction with the bartender. However, it's important to remember that tipping beyond the 18% is not a requirement, and you should never feel obligated to do so. This understanding can save you from the common misconception of feeling pressured to add extra gratuity to every drink. You've already covered it in your package price. So feel free to relax and enjoy your beverages without the worry of additional tipping. It's a nice touch of convenience that allows you to focus on your cruise experience, knowing that the hard-working crew members are well taken care of.
And there you have it, fellow cruisers. By steering clear of these common drink package mistakes, you'll be well prepared to make the most of your cruise vacation. Remember, a little knowledge can go a long way, ensuring smooth sailing and a fantastic time on board.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future cruise tips and insights. Thanks for watching The Cruiser's Edge. Our goal is to help keep you informed and up to date on all things cruising, giving you an edge on cruising.
If there's a video topic you'd like for us to cover, be sure to let us know in the comments section. Until next time, we here at Cruiser's Edge are wishing you happy and unforgettable cruising experiences. Cheers, and happy cruising!